Hey guys, out here in the country again, getting ready to do a walk-away test on this thing so I can see how loud it is. Man, this thing is so freaking loud now, it hurts. Almost every kind of music I put in it, so you know, just a few days on these things has got them broke into the point it's just scary, man. I don't think I need any more than 6 subs. Trying to put 2 more in here and have 8's just kind of overkill, I think. Why do I need to drop that load down farther and put strain on the subs when I don't need to? They're not getting hot. It's not hurting them at all. My DD got hot all the time. I did find my clip point on my amp, or on my deck, finally. With the DD, you couldn't hear it clip. You could turn it all the way up and you'd never hear it clip. You'd finally start the sound speakers on fire, but you couldn't find the clip point with the other sub. So with these 12s, I found the clip point. So anyways, here, I'm going to play a oldie but a goodie here for you guys and see what you think. You'll know what it is when it plays. I'm going to walk away from this thing and we'll see how it sounds.
We're not against rap. We're not against rappers. But we are against those thugs.
Got really loud right here. I'm like two car lengths behind the truck, and it got real loud. Wow. Sweet. Both doors are wide open. I got it at just before the clip point. 33 on the dial is clean. 34 clips. I can run 33 all day. Absolutely all day at this volume, and it never hurts anything. I'm gonna do a real walk test this time. I got no wind or nothing. It's like a concert. I hope my alternator doesn't start on fire doing this. It might. It's not looking too dim yet. I'm walking a long ways. Jeez, I mean a long way. Longer than I've ever walked before. I'd say I'm 125 yards, 150 yards away. Over a football field, definitely over a football field away. Headlights are awful dim. It's okay. Alternator's got to die someday. I'm probably 10 or 15 car lengths behind the truck right now. It's starting to get loud on my coat. Just got really loud. Like I can feel it in my ears. Oh geez, I'm still 10 car lengths behind it. That was farther than I thought. I might have been 2 football fields away. Loud. right down to 12 volts. Oop, we gotta shut this door. Hopefully, by the time I get back around, you guys will see that it will pull itself right back up to 14. But that's cool, at least it just goes to 12 and sits there. I can walk 2 football fields away. Oh no, we're not back up yet, maybe 13. Kick her in. There she goes. Okay. I think we'll do a little flex demo too, maybe real quick. Push the camera. No, I can't do that. I forgot to shut it off. That's good enough for now. That's a cool walk-off test. That's the biggest walk-off test I ever did, man. That's a long ways. Peace.